Hi there! Today I'm taking fall cookie decorating to the next level with a unique pumpkin cookie design. We are going beyond the basics, using a gorgeous fall color palette and adding a twist, 3D rosettes piping on top that really brings this cookie to life. Just wait until you see how these vibrant colors and layering techniques transform a simple pumpkin cookie into a standout treat for any autumn gathering. And if you are curious about how I created this beautiful fall color palette and the consistencies for flooding the cookies and piping the details, be sure to check out the blog post linked below. I will walk you through the exact color mixes to create these rich autumn tones. Alright, let's get decorating, shall we? And that's it. These elegant pumpkins cookies are all set. I hope you enjoy watching the process. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with friends and family who love these cookie designs too. Subscribe for more decorating inspiration and baking adventures, and hit the bell to get notified as soon as a new video goes live. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!